Hi everyone, do you know Salesforce Trailblazer Community presents AI Plus Data Community Tour, and many community groups are hosting this event for enabled trailblazers to learn about AI, data cloud, how to build AI application in the Salesforce. Well, join us tomorrow, 11 a.m. for the Motihari India AI Plus Data Community Tour, co-hosted with the Salesforce Developer Group Gorakhpur, India. And we are very much excited to having you to learn, connect, and have hands-on with the Salesforce Data Cloud, Prompt Builder, Einstein Copilot, and learn more. Yes, if you have not done RSVP yet, please go ahead, book your ticket, and see you soon tomorrow. Well, a special thing, we have our special guest, Kian from Salesforce. You all know him very well. You have opportunity to ask questions more about AI, data cloud, and how to build next generation application in Salesforce with AI. And let's succeed together. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.